we need to talk about eSIM. No, it's not the newest DJ. It's an easy, digital, and instant way for you to activate your Mint Mobile plan without needing a physical SIM card. Basically, it's a major wireless technology flex because it's an embedded SIM built right into your phone. With eSIM, you can activate your plan in minutes since you aren't waiting for a physical SIM card to arrive in the mail. You just need to make sure your unlocked phone is eSIM compatible, which you can find out at mintmobile.com/eSIM. If everything's good, just select eSIM delivery when you purchase your plan. After you purchase and activate your Mint plan, you can install your eSIM using our easy-to-use app or through a QR code we send you. Yep, one of these things. And don't worry, detailed instructions are there to help guide you through the process, no matter if you have an iPhone or Android device. Now, let's say you have a physical SIM card in your phone from an overpriced carrier and you want to take advantage of our free trial using eSIM. Just install the eSIM without removing the other card. Then go to your phone setting and choose Mint as your carrier to use our service. That way, you'll be able to try us out without affecting your current overpriced service. Well, that's it. You're officially an eSIM Pro. Feel free to brag about it at dinner parties.